Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this flared dress that has um a tieable rope at the neck and also a flare at the bottom of it. So as you can see, this has a tieable rope at the neck and also at the sleeve. Okay, it has a puff sleeve and that tieable band to it, and it also has an inner pocket and a tiny cute little belt for the back of this dress. It's at the side, so you can decide to tie it at the back or at the front. Okay, this is so cute and so beautiful. So if this is kind of video you would like to see, please do want to stick around. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and also do well to hit the subscribe button. And with that being said, let's get right back into this video and get it done. Okay, so first thing you need to do is you need to fold your material into two. See, for this dress, for this kind of material, crop material, make your pin and your iron your friend. Okay, do not be afraid to use it. Do not feel too big to use it. Your pin and your pressing iron, they are your companion when making a dress with a crepe material. Okay, so now that I'm done pinning that down, it's time to mark out my measurement. So for my chest line, I marked at 9, and half length I marked at 18 inches, and then for the full length I took out 12 inches from the full length and added it and marked out the remaining. Okay, and now for my shoulder divided by 2, I added extra 1 inch to it and then marked that down. Bust measurement divided by 4, and I added extra 2 inches to it, and then I marked it down like that, not a straight line but a kind of an A line marking. Just mark it out. Okay, now time to cut. So the next thing I'm going to do is I use the front one to mark out another one for the back. Now let's go ahead and mark out the neck line of this dress. So I went down by 4 inches and also went down again at 8.5 inches. Okay, now I went in by 3.5 inches, right? And now from the shoulder to the 4 inches, I gave a round neck marking right there. It's going to be a round neck like you saw in the video, and then I cut that out like I'm doing right now. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, so that more people will be able to see this video, and I'll be able to post more videos for you. Now from the point where you've cut out your neck to the 8.5, just go ahead and give a little bit of v-neck cutting to that point. Okay, and now for the back I went down by just 1 inch. Okay, and then I cut that out. Then for my shoulder slant, I slanted my shoulder with 1 inch rather, sorry, and that will be all for the main bodies of this dress. Now I'm using 4 yards to make this dress. Depending on your size, you can use 4, you can use 3 yards. Okay, for this client I'm making use of 4 yards. Now the 12 inches I removed at the beginning, I'm adding it back here. So I'm marking 13 inches because of sewing allowances. Okay, and then I drew that out and then mark it out. I use my pin to secure this, because if not I wouldn't be able to get it. So I put them together and then secure them, colors, and cut it out. Now for the sleeve, we're making a puff sleeve. So from the up part I marked out 2.5 inches, and then marked out my full length of the sleeve, and then I just gave a very big curve at the upper part to that place of 2.5 inches, and then I just drew out an A line because it's going to be a puff sleeve, puffing at the up part and also at the down part as well. It's just like it's a full puff. Okay, I'm going to pleat the down part and also pleat the up part when joining it. And now for the pocket, I marked out 7 inches wide, and then for the depth of pocket, just place your hand and make sure you're giving enough space. When mark, just dot it out and then cut. All right, that is very simple. Now we're done cutting. For everything you need for this dress is the main bodies, the sleeve, the pocket, and all the tie rope, the back rope, the sleeve rope, the neck one, and all. So first of all, we're going to start out by working at the neck like so. Just use your material to just pipe it. As you can see, it's done and ironed down. Like I said, make ironing your friend. You just be ready to iron. For every stitch you sew, just iron it down. It's going to help you and be a guide to you. Now time to join the shoulders of this dress. Okay, now that is all done, let's now work on the neck. So for this neck, because I'm going to be tied, the rope is going to be tied at the front. Start from the center to the other side and then to the other side, and then do that for them together, and this is what we have. Okay, your rope can be as long as you want it to be. Okay, so now it's time to work on the pocket. Now for the pocket, from your half length, which is 18, just sew that down like so. And then I'm going to be attaching the tiny belt as well. Just sew it down and turn it around, just a tiny belt. And that's all. If you don't know how to join your pocket, watch my other videos and you will learn how to join a pocket to your dress. Okay, just check them out, you will love them. Now I'm going to go ahead and give a tiny little fold at the down part of it because we don't want it to be fraying out. Okay, if you have your weaving machine, you can go ahead and weave it, and just the main thing is getting it to be very neat. Now for the flip part down there, the gathered part down there rather, I'm just going to go ahead and fold that down like that, and then do my gathers to the point that it aligns with the dress, and then fix it to it. Now that we're done, it is done and ironed down. You see how cute that is looking right now. So I'm going to go ahead and fold the down part of the dress. Okay, now for the sleeve, I'll be joining the side to that point, leaving a little bit of opening to it, and then make small gather at the down part of it, and go ahead and add this band. Remember, it's going to be a tieable band. So from the center, I'm going to be sewing along to the side. Okay, the rope is going to be tied at the back, not at the front. So that is why I left that opening there. Now this is all done and looking so beautiful and so cute. So the last thing to do on this dress is just to go ahead and add the sleeve to the dress. Okay, now when adding it at the up part, you will just be pleating it as you go. All right, now yeah, that is basically just it. The dress is done, is looking beautiful and so cute. Hope you enjoyed this video, and this video you found it very helpful. If you do, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and please share. Okay, thank you guys so much, and see you in my next one. Bye.